Okay guys, I have good news and I have bad news. So the good news is we get to make some sprites, and those are always fun. The bad news is, look at how many there is to do. I've identified 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different sprites, and remember each sprite can have an animation of its own, which sometimes involves 4, 5, maybe 6 different bitmap images. So this is going to take a while. I don't know, I might actually deviate from my recording of everything and do a little bit of stuff off camera, but we'll see how far I can get. So, I always use Paint in conjunction with this program called, what's it called again? Sprite Maker, and I found this on the Just Basic forum. I posted a video about it earlier that you can go look up if you want. The guy who made it is named Andy Amaya. Thank you, Andy, for sharing this. It's very useful. So, where are we at? Alright, let's make some sprites. So here we have Paint. Control E brings up properties, and a good size to go with is like 32 by 32 pixels. And you can zoom way in. And unfortunately, since there's so many to do, I'm going to be really simple with these. Like a ship is going to be a triangle or something. I know, that's lame. Poor imagination. Whoa. But really, this is just a race to the alpha testing phase, and at which point, once the programming details have been worked out, all I have to do is go back and change some of this stuff. Should be pretty simple, hopefully. I hope. Okay. Looks kind of lame, I know, but whatever. Let's do... Why did it turn gray? Oh, that's why. Let's fill this in as blue. The main character will be blue. Just for now. Give him a windshield. I know there's no wind in space. I meant to say a cockpit hatch thing, I guess. Now remember that I shouldn't use black. The background should be black. So everything that's black, the program takes as background. So instead of black, I'll do edit colors, make one that's almost black but not quite black. How about that? Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so now this is almost black right here. And I'm just going to go over this. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. And it goes for you, too. And finally, go back to the real black, to the background. Bum-ba-dum-ba-dum. And let's do, actually, we're going to save multiple versions of this. See, one with thrusters, one without, and one with it facing a little to the left, one facing a little to the right. So this is going to take a while. So let's do, actually let's do this. There. I'm going to go save, and save it in a place where the program can access it easily. So you should know where that is. And a lot of people were leaving comments on one of my videos where we first start doing sprites, and they're like, oh, the program can't find my bitmap image, blah, blah, blah. I have a feeling that most of those people didn't have it in the right folder or something. It has to be in the same folder that the program is saved in. What am I looking for again? Oh yes, Space Pursuit. Sprites. And I'm going to call this, oh, make sure you save it as a bitmap. 24-bit bitmap. Come on. I'm going to save this as, what should we call the main ship? Let's call him Hero. And this is going to be, he's going forward or straight, and no thrusters, so 0, save. Okay, now I'm going to do with thrusters. I went back out to 32 and save this as black, and then we can go to yellow and draw some pretty fire. I don't know what tool you want to use to do that. Just brush them. Whoa, way too big. Even that's a little big. Oh, fire! That's kind of pretty. I don't like it actually, now that I think about it. I'm gonna go for the plain old droop. Droop. Yeah, real interesting, real exciting, real scintillating. Make sure to save as. And this is with thrusters on. I have weird naming conventions. Sorry about that. Alright. So that's the basic gist of it. I'm toying with the idea of doing the rest of the hero ones off camera. Yeah. I'll come back for the part where we actually make the sprites, but I'll do all the drawing off camera. Sorry.